Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and we're just going to do a very quick unboxing of a very quick little game, but quite a fun little game. So fun, it's pretty clever. There we are, this is what we've got to open. So all I'm doing now is looking for my knife of opening, which at the moment I think I'm actually sat on. Bear with me, yes I am. Thank God it's folded. Right, it is a German game, as you can tell by the name, but hopefully there's going to be English rules in this. So, here's the back, and as you can see I'm just using normal lights because my normal light in the room because it's a little bit. It's going to be a quick video. It's going to take longer setting everything up than actually doing the video, so I thought I'd do it this way instead. So, first choose your die, second enter your die, third the dice remaining for the other players. So choose your dice carefully in Ganz Schön Clever and enter them into the matching coloured area. Put together tricky chain scoring opportunities and rack up your points. The dice you don't use are as important as the dice you choose. Every die that's smaller than the chosen one can be used by the other players, keeping everyone in the game at all times. It's for 8+, 1 to 4 players, and takes about 30 minutes. Inside we get a scoring pad, 6 dice and 4 felt tip pens. There you go. Let's have a look. Let's get this open. Okay, here is the rule book. Thankfully all in English. Because unfortunately I don't speak German. So there we go. Not a very long book. 8 pages. That's including front and back cover. And then we have this, which is the scoring pad. So we have different ways of playing this. I cannot for the life of me remember. It's been a while since I played this, so I'm not 100% sure. So let us refer to the instruction book. Okay, on here we have the round track. This is the dice field. This is reroll. This is extra dice. This is the yellow area, the blue area, the bonus. Well, the bonuses that you can get in the game. This obviously is the green, orange and purple area. And we get lots and lots and lots of these. And I'm trying to work out what the back of it means. Okay. Each activated. What's the sort to do with? That's the score sheets basically. Okay, so as it shows you the front and back, this little thing here that you put your dices on onto the silver platter. Sounds good, doesn't it? A little silver platter. The thing is, that silver platter is flat cardboard and isn't silver. It's just painted. Oh well, never mind. Next we have 6 dice of different hues, different colours, different chromatic spectrum. I'm giving up now because I can't think of any other ways of saying colour. We have a white one, a purple one, a green one, blue one, yellow one and red one. Orange one, sorry. These are wood, very nice in the hand. And I mean the wooden dice, they're not plastic dice, they are wooden effect, they are wooden dice. If you look carefully you can see the grain in them. They feel nice. Yeah. So that's what we have. And the next thing we have is a small pack of fibre tip pens, which will probably be, if not next to, then completely useless. Well, there we go. Not going to do anything with them now, because if I do scribble with each one of them, then it's going to use up all the ink, because you know what these pens are like that you get with games. Not very good, you have to go out and buy your own afterwards, but there we are. That's it. A big, massive game to fill the entire table. It's not something you get with this game, it's very basic. So we have scoring pad, dice, pens, and that's it. Oh, and not forgetting the silver platter. Might actually go out and buy a small silver platter about this size if I can find one. Just to say I've got a silver platter in my version of That's So Clever. Oh, that's pretty clever. Ah well, never mind. Right, so that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.